Hi all, this is Chris. If you just purchased a new style Rocky Berg from me, you're going to need to assemble it, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. Alright, so it's going to end up coming in 5 different pieces, I suspect. There's a pair of handlebars. You got your front end, which is this thing. Then you've got 2 skis. I've only got one here because I'm only going to show you how to put on one, but and then the frame. Okay, and this should be all assembled. I don't think I would have taken this apart. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pick up the frame and we're going to put on the front end. So to do that, I'm just going to start from the bottom, slip this on, and then there's this top piece. I probably left it loose, and then you just slip this on and make it snug. And then go ahead and set it on the ground right in front of you. Line it up so that it's perfectly straight. And then you're going to take an Allen wrench and you're going to tighten up this top bracket. Just make sure it is snug down. And then you're going to tighten up the top bracket. Don't break the bolts, but that's what it should look like when it's done. So there shouldn't be too much give here, if any. The next piece you're going to do is you're going to take your handlebars, slide those on. You may need a rubber mallet, but see if we can just get these things to go on. There we go. Then set them at the height that you want. Make sure they're straight with the front fork, and then get your other Allen wrench. You will need 2 sizes. I think they're 5 and 7 if I'm not totally mistaken, but I could be wrong there, so don't take that too much to heart. And then tighten them down. And same thing, tighten them down pretty tight, but don't break the bolts. All right, so here's your bike. Now all that's left is to put on the skis. Fairly straightforward. These skis will have come with these star screws on it. They'll either already be attached to the ski, so just unscrew it, or they'll be taped to the outside of the package with the skis, so the bubble wrap package with the skis. So to attach the front ski, and it's the same as the rear, just feed the front axe or the front fork into the slots up here, and then you just screw in this star bolt on the back. Sometimes it's easier than others. And then make sure you tighten it down pretty tight. Throughout the day, you're going to want to check these just to make sure that they stay tight. They usually don't loosen, but you don't want the skis coming off or anything like that. And then you're going to put on your back ski and you're all assembled. Make sure you check your bolts periodically throughout the entire bike. Check your star screws on your seat, because those do tend to loosen every once in a while. And that's your assembled Rocky Berg. I appreciate you watching, and I hope this video was helpful.